landmark. Your landmark is your, what's this area? That is your thalamus. Okay? O, doon tayo kasi medyo ba kayong
How about that?
o, yung iba dito sir. Kasi sa ito kasi yung yung kumuha at yung ano, yung sila mauuna.
Ay, nawala na.
Sabi ko, iwan ko na lang to. May tumawag.
Tumawag?
Sino? Yung residente lang. Okay, so, to study the basal ganglia, you have to know the landmark. The landmark is the thalamus. Okay? So, this is your thalamus. Opposite the thalamus, you will see the structure here. Ano siya? That is the caudate. Parang wala pang nag-aral pala. Oh, so, it's, nasa dulo siya. So, caudate, caudal. Nasa dulo. Okay? Then, this area, you have your, what's this area? Putamen. Putamen. Okay? That is your putamen. And this area, you have your, etong pale area na ito, makikita nyo naman siya, yun yung distinction ng putamen and the globus pallidus. This area, yung pale structure, that is the globus pallidus. Okay? And you have this white matter here. Yan, yung manipis na white matter which separates the caudate from the globus pallidus and the putamen, that is your internal capsule. Okay? Internal capsule hanggang dito yan. You just have to study. Ewan ko kung tinika pa yung gino, yung anterior, posterior. So, just study those parts. Okay? So, yan. Yung ating basal ganglia. This structure here, itong white matter na ito, that is your ano yan? If you have your internal capsule, ito yung nasa labas is your external capsule. Okay? So, between the external and the extreme capsule, ito yung nasa labas, that is your extreme capsule. Okay? So, between your external and extreme capsule, you have here this gray matter, that is your claustrum. Okay? So, dun sa pinakalabas, that is your insula. Okay? Etong external capsule, makikita nyo manipis lang siya. Yung extreme capsule nyo, may pagkamakapal na siya. Between the two, makikita nyo pa yung gray matter. That is your claustrum. Okay? And this gray matter outside, that is your insula. Okay? So, alam na yung mga parts. Sige. What do you call putamen, globus pallidus, and the caudate as a whole? Corpus striatum. Okay. So, the structure here, that is your corpus striatum. The putamen and the globus pallidus is the lentiform. Ito yung dalawa, lentiform. Lentiform kasi para siyang lens shape. Diba? Convex siya. Lens shape. Kaya lentiform. Okay? And your putamen and your caudate is your neostriatum. Okay? Ano yan? Madali naman tandaan. Kasi ang neostratum, ibig sabihin niya new growth. Diba? New, neo. Kasi usually, ang development natin, nagsisimula siya sa medial, papunta sa lateral. Ano ba yung nasa medial nyo? Ito yung structures dito. So, ayun na yung nasa labas. So, that is what you call the neostriatum. Putamen and the caudate. Okay? Okay na? Sige, yan na yan.